2019, Mutui Kutu.
Your Honor, I continue to appear for the accused person. My name is Maloba.
And if I may, Your Honor, I'm Valentine Khaminwa on behalf of the complainant. Thank you.
The office of DCI in Nairobi area. Your Honor, in this matter, we have been three investigators. And Your Honor, I wish to state that at the time I was needed by the court for hearing, I was attending a course in abroad in Italy. When I used to bring to this court that the defense lawyer was aware because I even spoke with him while I was there. Yes, I promised to appear before this court. He has always been here and approaching me, Your Honor. And I'm here, Your Honor. Ready to proceed. That's all, Your Honor. The complainant, Albana Baldi, in a matter in UK, and also here to matters in Mombasa concerning some properties. And since I had met with the accused person, who had confused them that he was a lawyer, Your Honor, the complainant believed in them. The accused person in the firm of Khaminwa and Khaminwa Advocates. That was the hand letter, Your Honor. And also the contact numbers of the firm. Your Honor, when the 8 emails Your Honor were produced as Exhibit 11. Your Honor, the matters did not succeed in court, and this prompted the complainant to visit the firm of Khaminwa and Khaminwa Advocate to question or to understand why all matters did not succeed, Your Honor. Received bad news that the said accused person has never worked with the said firm and was not known to the firm, Your Honor. To do a letter, an official letter to Khaminwa and Khaminwa Advocate to inquire if the accused person, Mr. Nasir Jima, is working with the same firm.
Jina, the letter was the letter to Amina dated Exhibit 12.
In the same letter, Your Honor, the complainant attached some of the email conversations they had with the accused persons, Your Honor. accused person, if you look at them, you will see some warning which the farm has criticized, saying that they are strangers to those contacts and they never have warnings in their letter. The letter also criticized and said the letterhead is totally different, Your Honor, to that of Khaminwa and Khaminwa Advocate, Your Honor. United Kingdom and USA. And therefore, the firm does not know the accused person, who is Nasir Jina consultant.
I wish to mark the response.
Application to confirm if he did the complainant and made several transactions to the account of the accused person, Your Honor, which the bank confirms that several payments had been made over the same services, Your Honor. The account number where the money was deposited by the complainant was given to us by the complainant at the time of reporting the matter, Your Honor, at Absa Bank, which is account number 20, 26, the account statements that belonged to the Nasir Jina from Kenya, to confirm if they ent in a database belonging to the same accused person. And from a reply from LSK, Your Honor, they confirmed that the said person is not known to the society and is not registered, Your Honor. Of resources to Tracy, and now he was charged before this court, Your Honor. That's all.
And the person you arrested, is he before court, the said Nazir?
Yes, Your Honor.
And do you wish to produce MFI 14, then 16 to 19 as experts?
Yes, Your Honor, I wish to produce it.
Miss,
Yes, Your Honor.
my name is Maloba. I'm representing the accused person that took it through some of this presentation of the documents and the testimony. I wish to ask a few questions about MFI 1-4. This is the letter of 18th June 2020. You just produced it. 18th June 2020. This is the letter from the complainant. You have it?
Confirm. Is it the one?
Yes.
Letter of 18th June 2020 from Engineer Advance Singh.
12 now.
Exhibit 12. Now, you've just made reference to this letter, and then a response of this letter dated 19th June. Which is marked is that right? When you wrote this letter. You are the investigating officer and you've seen the witness statement of the complainant. Is that right?
Yes.
You have it there? December 2013. The plaintiff filed an application by way of a notice of motion seeking to set aside the dismissal court order made on 25th November 2013 and lodged a constitutional petition 461 of 2013. While all this work was being done by Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates, Mr. Jina never allowed me to go and see Dr. John Khaminwa, Sometime in October 2014, Mr. Nazir Jina had traveled to Canada and could not return to Kenya for 6 months. Sometimes at the end of June 2017, I got in touch with Mr. Taib Bala to check. Don't you think at this meeting, when he meets Dr. Khaminwa in 2017, Dr. to him that I have no engagement with Mr. Nazir Jina, and not 2020 as you indicated in your testimony?
Your Honor, as I said that the complainant went to the farm of Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates after all the cases and not succeeded in both. It is at this time the complainant went, but complainant decided to do a formal letter afterwards to confirm if the said information he was told orally was true or not.
So the response Dr. Khaminwa gave, we confirm, is the letter of 19th June 2020, where he confirms that he has no engagement with Nazir Jina. Is that right?
Yes, Your Honor. These are two.
You have that letter? Your letter dated. Your letter was dated 22nd June 2020.
Yes.
And the response is dated 23rd June 2020. Is that right?
Yes,
And you confirm that the author of these letters is Dr. John M. Khaminwa.
the letter that came to our office.
Yes.
Yes, Your Honor.
You confirm that it's the letter of Dr. John Khaminwa. Did you meet Dr. John Khaminwa?
In the office, yes, Your Honor.
One, you confirm that the charge is with respect to, charge one, you confirm that the charge is personation contrary to section 382.2 of the Penal Code, where the accused person is charged to falsely present himself to be an advocate of the Court of Kenya as an associate of Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates.
That is an alternative charge.
And the first charge, pretending to be an advocate,
Yes, Your Honor.
Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates, is the letter of 23rd June 2020 when he responds to you. Is that right? This is a letter authored and signed by Dr. John Khaminwa. Do we confirm that Dr. John Khaminwa, from Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates before this court, that is going to testify that this letter came from Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates? Is there any witness present? Do you have any witness statement from anyone to confirm that this letter actually came from Khaminwa and Khaminwa advocates?
I don't have a witness, Your Honor.
So what you're telling this court is that I was told by Dr. John Khaminwa through a letter that I have no engagement with Nazir Jina.
Your Honor.
I want you to look at that letter of 23rd June and the letter of 19th June 2020. I've worked for this firm and I know this firm very well. Let's look at the partners.
Same the letter of
23rd June and 19th June. Normally letters from a law firm contains the details of partners.
Khaminwa.
Yes.
John M. Khaminwa. You want to read the whole thing?
Yes.
LLM, International Law, New York University, LLD, Harvard,
And the other second partner?
Harvard, S. Khaminwa, LLD, LLM, Warwick.
Warwick. Dr. John M. Khaminwa is a renowned advocate of this court. He's a doctor of law. His partner, Albert S. Khaminwa, as of 23rd.
That according to the Law Society rules, you can have partners who've retired and who passed away on your letterhead.
That can be put on submissions, Your Honor. Can it?
Answering that, Your Honor.
She has answered that my house was to find out if there is
Are you aware that are you aware that this partner, Albert S. Khaminwa, is deceased and he passed away in June 2017? No, I want to attack this letter, my lady.